Evaluate 1 plus 1 over x all to the power of 49, where x equals this numerical expression. X equals this numerical expression. So x plus 1 equals 1 plus this numerical expression. 2 can be written as the 7th root of 128. Each term on the right-hand side of the equation has a factor, the 7th root of 2. So we can now write the 7th root of 2 times this numerical expression. From 1, we know that this numerical expression equals x. Since x doesn't equal 0, so x plus 1 over x equals the 7th root of 2. 1 plus 1 over x all to the power of 49 equals x plus 1 over x all to the power of 49. X plus 1 over x equals the 7th root of 2. 49 can be written as 7 times 7. We can now write equals the 7th root of 2 all to the power of 7 all to the power of 7, which is equal to 2 to the power of 7, which is 128. Thank you for watching. Hope you found this video helpful. Please subscribe to this YouTube channel for notification of new videos. See you next time.